People run with it. And so what I came here to do is to make this vision of Operation Rescue plain to us, to activate us to run with it, sir. Sir, it is not to the glory of Bishop Oyedepo. It's not to the glory of Pastor Alexander. It's not to the glory of Living Faith Church Water Resources. It's not to the glory of Dickens Assembly. It's not to the glory of anybody, but to the glory of our God, who have commanded this operation for the rescue. Somebody is still waiting for me up till now. As I came out from there, I saw the person still sitting. I met them in who was in that outreach? I met those guys in Orumaru. I met them smoking. This guy, he was the one with the go and the kind. Was with the go and kind. No mix of the go and kind. You should understand what we're talking about. And since last 2 weeks, this guy is right there now waiting for me. He wants to see me before he goes. That's rescue we are talking about. Not just adding numbers to church. Rescuing men practically. And it will be your joy. There were 2 of them. One came the other day. I packed some of my clothes and shoes and gave to him so as to encourage him to be into this service, and I'm sure he will have been in this service. The joy is that the soul has been read. I know what I saw them do. They say it's very difficult for somebody to give a go and be smoke. You go finish at first. No matter what you do talk, when you talk finish, you go finish, and they know they leave that element. You go finish and complete. But that day, this one I'm talking about, now immediately I finished talking to them and told, he carried the drink, pour away, carried the skills, and that was it. And since that time, he has been coming and he's here again today. So please, let's buy this person. And what we are into is not just bringing numbers to church. Numbers will cause problems. But when they are rescued from the kingdom of darkness and translated into the kingdom of light, then heaven rejoices. And heaven cannot rejoice, and your life will not be better. So since this operation began, I don't want to talk. Amen. I don't want to talk in terms of God's. This is work. When Papa said this things, I thought it was because na Papa be. No, I have recognized that these things truly work. When you are all out for God, God will be all out for you.